And welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the March Allure Beauty Box. So this is just a monthly beauty subscription by Allure. So we all know they know a lot about beauty because they do have one of the top magazines. And you do pay $15 a month for this box. And you get around 6 products. A lot of times you do get full-size products in here, and that's why I really enjoy this box. And I always find stuff that I really do like. So it comes in a box like this. They did try sending us bags like last year. It did not work out. They had these clear bags that ripped most of the time. First thing in our box is their little magazine. Then it always comes with this paper. And we're going to pull the first thing out. And it is by Floss. Now, I've got some of their lip glosses, which this is a lip gloss too. And the net weight is 0.53 ounces, which is 15 grams. And Lax is the color. Okay. So, I've got the clear one. I do not have this one, which will go great with the liner I do have on. I like this. This is really good. Lip gloss. And here is the color, what it looks like by itself. I don't really care much about the little dofa. It's just right here. It is clear. I went to put lipstick on. I had my liner and I was lining, and then I changed my mind. I was like, well, I'm going to unbox. Hopefully I get a new lipstick or something. But I went ahead and filled my whole lips in. But I'm happy I got this. And I really do like the floss. It's not like gooey and stuff like that. It feels really nice on the lips. They pull apart really good. It doesn't like string. I can't stand that. Most lip glosses I do not like and will not wear. But I will wear that one. Okay, so our next thing is by Rituals. This is the Ritual of, this is the Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel. You get 1.6 flow ounces. This stuff is really good. I do have the full-size version. We've got 1.6 flow ounces, which is 50 milliliters in here. And this one is Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. So I know I'm going to like this one. They are really good. They smell really good. So I love this shower gel. Our next thing is by Dr. Botanics. It's LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Let me tone this light down. And we got 50 milliliters, which is 1.69 flow ounces. Now, I don't think I used any of this brand before. I've used Floss and I've used Rituals. With Rituals, what I do like about them is they are, if I'm not mistaken, no paraphrase, and I don't know. I thought maybe I think they're cruelty free. This is lemongrass oil, coconut oil. And right here it is. And this is, they're cruelty free, natural, and vegan. Okay. So it is yellow just like the bottle. It doesn't smell. I just lemon smell in my mind. It's got a little bit, but barely any scent. It does feel good. It's very thick. It's got a slight smell, but not like lemon. Okay, so I know I'm gonna like this. Right now my skin needs everything it can get. Our products are fresh. Please use within 6 months of opening. For best results, please store in a fridge. I'm glad I read that. And most skincare is good for 1 year. And it's high in vitamin C and A. It works to brighten and provide antioxidant protection and smooth, replenish dry skin. Coconut oil, that was what the lemongrass oil does. Coconut oil is a high-end antioxidant and fatty acids that work to hydrate and restore and protect the skin. Okay, so I'm going to lay this out so I remember to put it in the fridge. Okay, then we got a mascara by Rodale. This is the Glammo Lash Mascara Extra Extra Large, a stream black lash maximizer and amplified volume. It is completely sealed. I do like it's just nice, sleek, and black. The wand is pretty much like a standard wand. And inside is 0.4 flow ounces. And it's got the batch code and everything on it. I've never used Rodale, so I'll enjoy using that. Okay, our next thing is Red Energy Recovery Serum. It is a blossoming energy, 5 milliliters, which is 0.16 flow ounces. Cautions: stop use and consult a doctor if rash occurs. Okay, that's normal. It is clear. It's got a smell to it. It's very silicone feeling. The smell's going right away though. Okay. Then our last thing in our box is Hydragonic Moisturizing Lab Coast. It is a sheet mask. It is a Lab Coast Derma mask with hyaluronic acid. Which hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. It will plump it and all that good stuff. This month, the box is okay. It's really like more skincare than anything. Which right now, we're still getting through the winter months, and we probably need it. Okay, so the mascara by Rodale is valued for $28, and this is a full-size item. So that's already covered our box, since our box is like $15. Then, but this is not full size. Full size is $40 and I think it says 30 milliliters for a full size, so we're way off. Okay, so this is full size, and the Dr. Botanics, and it cost us $14.90. In the Floss, my new favorite gloss in Lax is retailed for $16, and this is full size, so that is 3 full size products this month. The Rituals shower gel is $9.50 for full size, and the bottle is about double the size and a little bit rounder. Okay, so some people got this mask, other people got the other mask by the same company. That it's purple. It is a firming mask. This is a moisturizing mask, and they're only valued for $3. But these are full size items, because $3 is probably $3 for one. And that is everything we got in our boxes. I like it better when they do collab with a company, because it seems like you do get better stuff. But, getting 3 full-size products is pretty good. And I do love the shower gel, and this would be Really nice if you're going to travel or somewhere like that. I'm not traveling, especially right now. I've got too much going on, and I don't want to get sick. But it's a nice box. I can use everything in this box, so paying $15 for this box is really worth it because I will use everything inside this box. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays when I upload, which sometimes I do bonus videos during the weeks, like when my subscription boxes are coming in. And I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.